Warm welcome to the HR induction second class. This class is very important from the point of view wherein we are going to learn about the history of the hospital, the grievance policy, and our internal committee, which we have already formalized. This is the new building that you're watching on the screen. The topics that we are going to cover today is the hospital floor plan, the introduction to the directors and the HODs, the mission and vision of the hospital, the values of the hospital, the grievance reporting, and women's safety at workplace and departmental value manuals. Let us go through the history of the hospital. This hospital was started in the year 1996 by the Niacens groups, and Orange City is a unit of Ravi Nair hospitals. We are coming to the hospital floor plan. Kalyani block building, that is always referred as building A. Ground floor has the waiting area, CMO's cabin, casualty with 6 beds. Then we go to the first floor. We have the pediatric ward with 7 beds. PICU has 3 beds and NICU has 4. Then when we go to the second floor, it is gynec ward with 7 beds. Then coming to the new building, which is referred as building B, the basement we have the 2-wheeler parking. Ground floor has inquiry, registration, the billing, cashier, the radiology department and Javik hall. But since with the corona period going on, we have the departments, registration and billing department in the casualty block. Then we come to the first floor, we have 10 OPD chambers. Then VIP waiting area is there. Then wellness center, the TMT room, then Javik ward with 7 beds. Adjacent to it is the SPW ward with 7 beds. We have EEG room, BERA, audiometry, the doctor's restroom, and the server room. Then we come to the second floor, we have A wing with single rooms, 3 beds, twin room, 4 beds, general ward, 9 beds. The total is 16. Then B wing ward is with single room, 2 beds, twin room, 3 beds, general ward, 9 beds, and then section coordinator room is also there. Then when we come to the third floor, it consists of the cath lab, then CCU4, 7 beds, SMO in charge emergency services, the CGM chamber, then administration block is there with the directors and the chairman subs chambers. Whole building, which is referred as building C, the basement is the store. Ground floor, we have executive director, accounts chamber, the pharmacy, CCU3 with 8 beds, D ward with 12 beds, waiting area, the physiotherapy, public relations chamber, maintenance section, and the mortuary. When we come to the first floor, we have CCU2 with 7 beds, dialysis unit 2 beds, kidney transplant 2 beds. Then we have the first mezzanine floor, the dental department, intensivist room, the marketing department, and the central research unit. The second floor of old building consists of CCU1 with 9 beds. The third floor, we have OT complex with 3 modular OTs, 1 dressing room, CSSD department. We have 4th floor with deluxe rooms of 8 beds and 2 suite rooms. Deep apartment, that is referred as building D. Ground floor is deep ward. First floor, the accounts. The second floor, central laboratory, that is the blood storage unit. That is a hierarchical order of Orange City Hospital. Our head is Chairman Saab. Then we have the directors of RNHPL, followed by Director Okri, and then it is divided into 3-4 groups. Account section headed by our executive director, Sri Chalam sir. The administration part is headed by our CGM, Sunil Surya sir. And we have the public relations officer headed by Priya Shashi madam, and the HR department headed by myself, Sarama Samuel. And we have the hierarchical order. You can see yourself under this section. We have the nursing in charge coming under the HR head, followed by ward section supervisor, senior staff nurse, nurse, and the junior nurse, then technicians and the trainee nurses. The board of directors of RNHPL, that is Ravi Nair Hospitals. Our chairman sahab is Shri Uday Bhaskar Nair sir, and we have directors Dr. Usha Nair madam, Dr. Vidya Nair madam, Dr. Vinay Nair madam, and Mrs. Divya Nair. Kindly go through this picture so that you should know about your own directors of Orange City Hospital. This is Vidya Nair madam in the black sari, Usha Nair madam, our respected chairman sahab, Uday Bhaskar Nair sir, Dr. Vinay Nair madam, and Mrs. Divya Nair. Dr. Anup Marar sir, our director, Orange City Hospital. These are the personals that are working in the HR department. Chalam sir, our executive director accounts. Sunil Surya sir, our CGM administration. Mrs. Priya Shashi madam, she is the manager for public relations. Ganesh Iyer sir, he is also working as the HR executive as well as a safety officer. Our quality head, Dr. Priya Ladda madam. Ramesh Pandey sir, he is the deputy manager for accounts. Neeraj Patil sir, the in charge for stores. Manjari Damle madam, she is the deputy manager, administration. Jayashree madam, who is the in charge for MRD section. Preeti Chowdhury, she is looking after the summary. Bharti Badvaik madam, she is responsible for WSL and other related works of accounts. The TPA coordinators, Pranav Ramakrishnan and Kapil Menkudle. Then Dr. Sajan Nair sir, he is looking after our allied agencies. Avinash Gayanar, he is a supervisor. Savan Bagmare, he is the executive ESM. Our maintenance head, Madhukar Channore, IT head, Prashant Tichkule sir. Then Prashant Bagde sir, he is working as the executive accounts. Then our nursing in charge and ICN and WSS of various wards. First among the picture is Jessie Abraham. She is our nursing in charge, followed by the ICN, Rahil Patrange, Deluxe Ward WSS, Mary Chaco, OT WSS, Nisha Ashok, CC1, Preeti Joseph,